This is me and my world. My home is in Sinjelićeva 28. My school is the first primary school. My name is Filip and my last name is Marković. My favorite sport is tennis because I train tennis. I am good at this sport. My friend is Luka, Ognjen, Aleksa, Milica and Luka. I love action computer games and I love this. My best friends are Luka Simić and Đorđe Pavlović.
Do you have cousins in Valjevo?
No, not.
This is me and my world. My family is my mom, my dad and my two sisters, Sofia and Olga. My home is Nušićeva street in Valjevo. I go to primary school Nada Purić. My friends is Jana, Marta, Marija, Jovana, Maša. They are all at some school as me. My favorite sport is swimming. I like swimming. At volleyball, I good at volleyball. I like to go on a holiday with my family.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have. Yes, I have a cat.
Do you live in house?
No, I live in flat.